Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in your environment. Secure the phone on a tripod and set exposure and white balance so the camera won't hunt between frames. Next, frame the composition tightly and use steady continuous lights to avoid flicker. Then plan the first micro movements. Small shifts create smooth motion, so move your subject 1 to 3 frames per action. Once done, capture a short test sequence of 5 frames and play it back to confirm timing and scale before you continue. You now enter the steady shooting rhythm. Use a remote shutter or the camera timer to eliminate touch shake and take single frames only. Make precise, consistent adjustments to the subject using reference marks or small rigging so each increment equals the previous one. Keep a running count and aim for enough frames to match your target frame rate. For example, capture 12 frames for each second if you want 12 FPS. Once you maintain that pace, the motion stays smooth and predictable. You finish by importing or reviewing the captured frames in the app, setting playback speed to match your planned FPS, and trimming any lead-in or tail frames. Make global color or exposure corrections so continuity holds across the sequence, and apply minor stabilization if there's a small jitter. If you see jumping frames, stop. Inspect lighting and your tripod, then retake only the problematic segment rather than the whole scene. Finally, export and review at full speed to confirm the motion feels natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.